I love the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information about SurveyMonkey and how it works. But before, let's know what is SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports. Ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers, SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So to get started, all I have to do is click over free registration or click over register with his email address. Once you do that, you will find this page. But before you have to link your email address and your password, then you get started. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. So I will choose work, so you choose the one you are. Then you will find this page. What you want to do. The first one, start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have use a quick template. This template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you choose the one you want, you will find this page. To create a survey, click over here, but before, let's know how to use SurveyMonkey. So using a SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, you have to sign up for a free account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next is the drag and drop editor to add various question types such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey by adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey via email, a link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you'll be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So I will show you the steps. So this is the homepage of Survey Time. You have just to click over Create Survey, but before, we have here 3 steps. The first one, add questions, then go to collect, then analyze your results. So you click over Create Survey. Once you click over Create Survey, you will find this page. Choose a starting point. We have here start from scratch, copy an existing survey, build with EA, pick a popular template, paste your content, build a target audience, use proven search methods. So I will choose start from scratch. Once you do that, you will find this page. First of all, you have to add a logo here, and you have to upload it here. Then you have to write here your question, and you have multiple choice here. Check boxes, start written, best word skill, fill upload, single tick box, common box, matrix of drop down, matrix and rating scale, ranking, slider, multiple text box, that's date and time. Then you click over done once you write your enter your question. Then you have your page title. You have to write your title here and your description also. Then we have also here build. As you can see, I have multiple choice here, and we have also you enter an answer choice. Second one, the third one, the fifth one, the fourth one, you can add the one you want. Then we have your score this question. We have add other here. As you can see, you can just add this one and you do the one you want. Then we have your display an answer, display as comments, we have your size, how much lines, how many lines, and how many characters. Then validation also, and you have the comment here, add unknown, you can just delete this one and you add whatever you want. Then you click over next question and you do save for the first one. Then we have also a drop down, options, logic here, copy also. Then we have your style. About the style, we have settings and themes. We have your logo, footer, font, layout, background also. Then we have your logic, options, payments, quiz, survey title, exit link, progress bar, page titles, page numbers, questions numbers, quart asterisk. Then you have your question bank, commanded questions, previously used questions, all category, community, customer feedback, customer satisfaction, demographics, education, events. Then you have your format, classic, one question at last time, conversation also. And then we have your page features, print also, and collapse here. So that's it for design survey, and let's move on to the collect responses. About this one we have here, how would you like to collect responses to your survey? Send surveys your way, send your surveys by email, embed them on your website, share a link on social media or a web page, and more. Then we have here target your ideal respondent by responses from the right demographic on our global survey panel. SurveyMonkey audience get results in minutes. Then we have your analyze results. About this one we have here question summaries, insights and data trends, individual responses, and the dashboard. You can add the dashboard here, you can save also. Then you have your rules, you can filter here, you can compare and show also. You have saved views, exports, shared data, and insights. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on clarity in your questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So that's it for this video guys, I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you in the next video.